Hi guys, I'm playing right now. You can see my character, right guys? You can't see it, I just further. So let's just do it. Hi guys, this is our video till the end. I don't know, I'm just playing. This is just part 2, part 1 pala guys. Because my channel thing. Oh my god, we can do that. Oh my god, what the heck? So let's just steal from this guy's base. I mean, what is going on? Ooh, hotspot. This is good, guys. You can steal. Oh, I steal it. And this the camera. Let's run for ourselves, guys. Woo. Oh my guys, I do this all the time. And we get the hotspot. Let's go to the base. To the base. Oh my god, guys. I love to do and edit real quick to do it. So let's just my god guys. I'm so stressing already guys. So do you want me to play or something because this is just my new channel. You can do it if you wanna. Ignore me, just ignore me or subscribe anything for my plate of course guys. Oh my god. I just took my hotspot away from the okay guys. First and oh my god. Let's just phone an easy target. I'm not scamming guys. If I were really scamming, I would have to be in a rich and silver. So do this just because I'm already sweating from all the videos I'm making today. So let's just take my phone. So let's just do this in the bed. So guys, I'm just gonna do this in quick. Oh, if my mom just, oh my, this is not my base. I'm literally scanning the noob. He thinks it's my base, but it's really his base. So guys, if you wanna check part 2 again, it's just, oh my god, stop it right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I'm looking from the camera. Sorry guys.